Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing clean price and volume data and choosing liquid instruments to avoid noise. Once connected, add VWAP, on-balance volume, and 2 EMAs to the chart so you instantly see price context. Now scan recent bars for volume spikes that coincide with price rejection or breakout. This is your first actionable signal. Make sure to set a simple stop and define risk per trade. Finally, place a small test position to confirm execution and data alignment before scaling. You now dissect what volume means in context. Compare each bar's volume to the 20-period average and note whether it sits above or below VWAP. Once done, classify spikes as confirmation when volume supports a directional move, exhaustion when extreme volume fails to follow through, or accumulation when steady volume builds a trend. Make sure to watch for divergence. Price making new lows while volume decreases suggests weakening selling. Then size entries based on signal strength and nearby support or resistance. You finish by executing a plan. Enter on confirmed volume continuation, scale into winners, and trim when volume shows exhaustion. Once in, manage risk with a stop based on recent structure or ATR and set realistic targets. Close positions if volume dries during trend extension. If signals conflict or data lags, reduce position size or skip the trade and mark it in your trade log. One key troubleshooting tip. If price moves without corresponding volume, assume low conviction and avoid adding until confirmation appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.